Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
General agreement services. There are many types of agreements like term sheet, employment agreement, consulting agreement, legal notice, gift deed document, rental agreement, sales deed, will, non-disclosure agreement. Term sheet. A term sheet may likewise be referred as a letter of intent, as MOU, that is, memorandum of understanding. The first round of speculation from a financial investor is known as a series or term sheet. Points to remember while making term sheet: kind of shares and options, valuation, profits, liquidation, progenitor shares. Employment agreement. An employment agreement is an agreement that specifies relations of an agreement and employer, including compensation and also expectations. It is often referred to as an employment contract. They have often executed for a specified period of time. Consulting agreement. A consulting agreement is an agreement or a contract between two parties out of which one is being a consultant and other being a business or an individual that is taking certain services from the consultant. Legal notice. A legal notice is a legal action in the form of formal communication made to a person or entity informing the same to undertake legal proceedings against him or her. Thus, a person aggrieved has an option to file a legal notice to the person or entity. Gift deed document. A gift deed is a kind of document that will enable someone, a recipient, to possess or acquire a property or financial gain or simply money, in this case as a gift, from another person who already owns the property or money. Revocation of gift deeds. In case of revocable gift deed, the donor is supposed to make a draft of the document. This document can be kept by the donor in his possession until the donor feels the time is right for the recipient to receive the gift. Irrevocable gift deeds. When the irrevocable gift deed is made up into a document and prepared and signed up by the witnesses according to the all legal formalities and requirements, and once irrevocable gift deed is done and given to the respective recipient, the recipient immediately becomes the owner of the received gifts. Rental agreement. A rental agreement is an agreement or a contract between an owner and the one who receives a temporary possession over anything rented by the owner. The rental agreement could be regarding anything. Sales deed. A sale deed is a deed by which a seller transfers his right on the property to the other, who acquires absolute ownership of the property. The buyer should ensure the title of the seller before the execution of the sale deed. Will. A will is a legal document by which a person, the testator, expresses his or her wishes as to how his or her property is to be distributed at death, and names one or other person, the executor, to manage the estate until its final distribution. Non-disclosure agreement. Non-disclosure agreement is a confidential agreement, being a legal contract between two parties which outlines confidential material, knowledge, information which parties wish to share with one another for certain purposes. Also restrict access to or by third parties. Thank you.